Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Nandito na naman ako. I am going to show you the gift of my wife. So I'm going to unwrap a gift. She gave me a clue. She told me that this gift is the one that I can use it for my blog. Oh, I think I know what it is. And this is the gift right here. It's big. I could hear it. This looks like a GoPro. Let's see. I'm very good in guessing. Now I'm going to open this and let's see. Okay. Let me open on this side. Oh. See, I'm telling you, I know what it is. She bought me a GoPro. Look at this. I got a new GoPro. I can use this for my blog. Yes, I got that. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Let's open it. Hold on. Okay, hold on. I think. Hold on. I'll put this one on the side. I saw something much more special. Oh my God! Look at this. Oh my God. This is the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. The iPhone 12 Pro Max. Separate. Yes. Yo. I got the iPhone 12. Okay. Charger. This is cool. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I know this because I was pointing this one the other day, and then I didn't expect that my wife gonna bought me this one. I'm only expecting this one, but she bought me this one over here. She bought me this one. This is cool. And this is the charger. Oh, look at this. Look at the charger. And it's different. Okay. Okay, so it's different than the regular iPhone. So they have a big charger and not USB anymore. So you can see, small one. Okay. I have the charger. And let's see. This one has a battery already. Let me see. How to open this? Okay. Yes, it's opening. Wow, they have 3 cameras. Look, there's 3 cameras in here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's set up already. So I got my phone in here. This is my phone. This is the iPhone 8 Plus. Let's see. I have 2 phones together. So let's compare this since we have this already. Okay, let's see the difference between the two. The size, they're the same. The same size with iPhone 8 Plus. and have 3 cameras. The iPhone 8 Plus have 2 cameras only. Wow, it's really cool. I like this. So this is the case. This is the latest one. Wow. Thank you to my wife. I can use this for my vlog. Yeah. Now, and I have my GoPro. Okay, I have something. Let me see. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, so they have the accessories. I know this. This one is the one that you're going to put it in your helmet. This one probably in any flat surface because it's flat. Just take it off and then put this thing in. But I need this. How to take this off? Okay, I know this. There you go. Okay. So I could put this one in. Oh, there you go. And then this is the lock. Okay. Alright, so you could put this one in here. And then if you have this the stick, you put this one like this. Okay. There we go. Let's see. Oh, they have this. Okay, you have to remove this. And you can see this. Oh wow, cool. So, oh, it's touchscreen. Okay. Yeah, I can use it. I have now my GoPro. Biking. If I'm doing a biking, I could use this. Yeah, okay. Well, sorry, naunahan ko kayo. Binilan ako ng asawa ko nito. No, kailangan daw maging mabait daw sa business. Kailangan para sa ganun ay mabigyan ka ng ganito. Okay, so ayun, maganda siya. So maraming salamat sa aking business. Okay, so excited na ako, gagamitin ko na to bago. Kasi minsan pag nalobat ito, at least meron ako reserva. Okay, ayun lang. Salamat sa panonood. Thank you. Bye-bye.